This was the problem we have solved using elif in Python, and this is our code. Elif help programmers a lot. Hello everyone. In this session, we will explore few more examples of the elif statement. Well, we have a grading system at school. We get a grade of A if we get more than 60%. Grade B is assigned to students getting more than 45% but less than 60%. Grade C is assigned to students getting more than 35% but less than 45%. And other remaining students scoring less than 35% will get grade D. Let's write a program that will give the grade depending on the percentage. First, we will accept the user input using the input function and store it in a variable percentage. Please don't forget to convert to float because the percentage is a numerical value and it can contain a decimal. Now write an if statement. Then the condition, that is percentage greater than equal to 60. In the next line, give an indent and assign A in the grade variable. Now we will write elif and the condition percentage greater than equal to 45. Inside the elif, we will assign B in a grade variable like this. Similarly, for grade C, we will write an elif statement like this. At last, we will write the else and assign grade value as D. Now, print the grade using print statement like this. Well, our program is ready. Let's run the program. Enter the value as 58. Well, we got the correct output. Now, rerun the program and enter the value as 41. We got the grade C. Just try to understand the program. When we entered 41, the program went for the first condition over here. Since it was false, the system went to the next elif. Again, the condition failed in this elif. So, now the program moves to the next elif. The condition is true and hence C value is assigned to the grade variable, which is displayed in the final statement. Remember, the program skipped the else part since the condition is met. Even if one condition is satisfied, the remaining statements are skipped. I think you are now comfortable to use if, elif and else statement in your programs. To get more understanding, please practice well. All the practice examples are available in this URL. See you in the next session of Python. Thanks for watching.